In my last class, I have discussed about the basic tags of table. Today, I will discuss the properties used for formatting. Properties properties used for formatting tables. Properties used for properties used for formatting formatting tables. Now you see the various properties used for formatting tables are common site property, header border spacing property, border collapse property, empty cells property, white property, and height property. You take out page number page number 57 of your book, and you see the properties are given. One is what? Caption site property. This is caption site property. Next is what? Border spacing, border spacing, border spacing. Next is what? Border collapse, borders collapse, border collapse. And next is what? After border collapse, another is what? Empty cells, empty cells, empty cells. And another is what? White, WIDT, white, and height, HEIGST. These are the different properties used for formatting a table. Now, by saying formatting, you have understand it. That you can format. Suppose you want to give the border. This is a type of formation, yes or no? So, first of all, now what is the purpose of using the caption site? Huh? What is the use of this caption site? I am clean. Suppose caption site. Caption site property. This caption site property. Why it is used? It specifies the placement of table caption. It specifies the it specifies it speci it specifies the placement of it specifies the placement of table caption. It specifies caption. It specifies the table of it specifies the placement of table caption. It is value by default. It shows two values. It shows two values. One is top, another is bottom. But by default, it shows the top values. It shows it shows values top. It is by default D and bottom BO bottom. It shows this values. Okay. Either caption side, either you write top or caption side you write bottom. That is, you give caption side top or you give caption side bottom. Either of these two you have to use. Now if you use caption side top, if you don't mention any caption side, if you write just, it will automatically take default value as top. Otherwise you have to specifically like this. Suppose I have to example, I want to give it. Suppose like this, caption 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 side. Then if we after column we write bottom, BOTT1, caption side bottom. So caption side I have discussed. Next comes a border spacing. Border spacing. Border spacing. Now what is border spacing? Border spacing specifies the distance between the borders of the adjacent cells. It specifies it specifies it specifies the it specifies the distance between the distance between it specifies the distance between the between the between the between the borders borders of the adjacent adjacent borders of the adjacent cells. Its values are value 1 and value 2. Its value its value value 1, value 1, value 1, value 1, value 1, value 2, value 2. It is expressed in it is expressed in it is expressed in pixel. It is expressed in pixel. It is expressed in pixel. Example you can take. Example you can take like this: border spacing, border spacing along suppose 7 pixel like this. Next comes what? Border collapse. Next comes what? Border collapse. Border collapse. Border collapse. What is the purpose of using borders column? It specifies whether the table border should be collapsed or not. It specifies whether the table border should be collapsed or collapsed or not. Its value its value its value its value is separate or collapse. By default it is separate. By default it is separate. If you don't anything mention, it will take as separate. Okay, you if you it will give like this: border column collapse. collapse collapse. Okay, border collapse. Border collapse. You mention either collapse, or if you nothing mention, it will take as by default as separate. Okay, so this you have understand. Next comes what? Empty cell property. This is very important. Empty cell property. It comes in your exam. Write the purpose of empty cell properties. Empty cell properties. Empty cells. Empty cells. Empty cell properties. So it specifies whether to display borders and backgrounds for empty cells in a table or not. It specifies its it specifies whether 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 to provide whether to display borders empty cells in a table or not. Its value is it shows its value used as show or hide. Its value is show or hide. By default its value is show. Example, if you give like this, what will be the example? Empty cells. Empty cells column. Suppose if you want to mention, suppose hide, then you will make like hide. If you don't want to mention anything, you just you say if you don't want to by default, if you don't mention anything, it will by default take it as show. But if you want to mention, you do like this. Next, there are height and weight properties. Height and weight properties. Now, by saying there are another two important properties, height and weight properties. Now, what is weight properties? WIDTH, weight properties. What is the purpose of weight property? What is the purpose of weight property? It specifies weight of a table. It specifies weight. It specifies weight of a table. It specifies weight of a table. Its value is in pixel. Its value is in pixel. Pixels, pixel. So example will be, suppose white, example white, WIDTH, white colon, suppose 70 pixel, px, like this, like this. Okay. And similarly height property, HEIGST, height property, it specifies the height of a table. So what will be the height of the table? It will give, it specifies the height of a table. It specifies the height of a table. Its value in pixel, its value in pixels. Example gives an height, suppose HEIGST, height, HEIGST, height, HEIGHT. So the column, just I'm preparing height, H HEIGHT, height, column, suppose 80 pixel, 80 pixel, 88, suppose I'm cancelling it, 80 pixel, suppose I am writing it, 80 pixel, 80 pixel, like this. So I have discussed about the different properties of a table. Generally in your exam, difference of border spacing and border columns may come. So you write this definition, it will do the difference. Next another question comes, height and weight property. Difference, you give the definition like this. In your exam such type of questions come. Now in your exam such type of questions come, what is the default value of empty cells properties, like this. So if you prepare this, these things will able to answer the such type of question that comes in your exam. So you note down these videos, and if you have any confusion, you ask me, and please subscribe the video. Okay, thank you.